My mother-in-law and my mother picking raspberries.
These are good. Oh yeah, they're really good.
Grandma, tell us something about how to pick these raspberries and what makes them like nice and how you make them grow really well.
Okay. So first of all, we, right after and in the very spring of the year and in the fall, we buy a fertilizer for them. Second of all, they love coffee grounds. And so we also put down coffee grounds throughout the season, and especially right before a good rain.
Right.
And then also we mulch them heavily in order to keep the weeds down.
Nice.
And then after, in the fall, now this year we did it 2 different ways of pruning. In the fall this year, Bill came out and he pruned all of these back to sticks. So we had all of these little sticks sitting coming out of the ground, and as you see, they've all filled out. But this part over here, he cut all the way down to the ground. And this is how much growth we've gotten in just 1 year. Now these will, they will produce in the summertime. So they will have their first seed, and we already have some of the raspberries coming out on them. So we did this kind of as an experiment to see which way the pruning would be best. But I think that we like having these so early, because June berry. So we were able to get the June berries off of these like right as June was coming in.
Gotcha.
So this was nice, but then these will probably die out, and then those will come into harvest.
Now these will produce in the fall as well.
And then these will produce in the fall as well.
Oh.
Okay. And this is not, see how many raspberries we have here? Sorry. See how many raspberries we have here? And this is our second picking of raspberries. We've already taken some of the raspberries off and eaten them fresh. And then we also have made some nice raspberry syrup off of our first raspberries. And then we can also freeze them and put them into the freezer. And then we have raspberries all winter long.
Do you make a jam with it?
I've
The
not
syrup.
made a jam. I did the syrup because of the sugar content of the jam,
Okay.
and I can make the syrup with less.
And you can put whatever quantity of sweetener you like.
Yes, and so I just did half of the quantity that the recipe called for. So it's not as, it's a little thinner than what you would typically have, but it still has the good flavor, and it's still great on pancakes and waffles. So,
They're really good, yummy, delicious raspberries.
but Bill did a lot of work. Bill does a lot of work on the raspberry bushes. The only thing that I do on the raspberry bushes, basically, is there are these 3 wires here, and I come through on these 3 wires and make sure that the stems are coming up into the trellis, so that way they don't hang too low and end up on the ground.
Hey, Emma. Are you gonna pick raspberries too with us?
Good job, and Bill takes care of the rest. So I'm surprised the boys.
So nice to pick your own stuff and have it.
And because of where these are, and we fertilize them well, and we've not had a big major problem with bugs. So we don't spray, so we can just eat them right off the.
It gets washed
Off
off
the
with
plant.
Hey, Dad.
We don't spray. So yeah,
Excellent.
very nice.
The
Here.
heavy off the.
You can eat them. They're pretty clean.
Yeah. See, you gotta give that. You gotta give that reaction to the camera, Romany.
It's nice.
Yep, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
Adrian, where are you? Are you picking raspberries too? Can you pick some raspberries?
Adrian, he wants raspberries.
I love that tint of sourness in it. Sweet and sour. It's nice.
Everyone say cheese.
And they're not cheese.
Dad.
We're raspberries.
Michael.
To us.
Mm.
And then he came out and was like, wow, these raspberries are great. And I said, they're yours.
Yeah. This is from my other house. I gave her I don't know how many bushes, like few of what do you call those things? Suckers?
Yeah. So
And then she grew them. And then I took a couple of plants from her and then the goat ate my raspberries.
Oh.
yes. Yeah.
The boys left the gate open and then the goat ate my raspberries.
So yes, we have lots and lots of raspberries. Some of them are
See the amount of bushes she has, grown out of the ones that you gave her.
I will tell you this.
What do you think, Mom?
I'm eating most of it.
So we did not, I didn't read very well on these before I planted these. I planted them right into the earth.
I like to see how this extra like.
It's okay, but yeah.
This is little sweeter than the other, but it's nice.
It's boiling hot out here.
Look at this.
There's shoots. A shoot from this can go out 5 feet. We left 3 feet, but we've noticed that they were starting to come up in between the fence. And then I read that you can put a shoot barrier on raspberry bushes.
How'd you do that?
So I think the next time, if I start again, I would put them in a 12-inch raised bed.
Got it.
So then that way you would control your shoots.
Mm-hmm.
So they won't be shooting up, and I don't mind them coming this way, but I don't want them going into the neighbor's yard. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Well, the neighbors will have nice raspberry plants then.
Started here, but we were talking about it.
Yeah. Except there's no numbers.
Look at this. You see, Bill knows how to pick them.
Mm-hmm.
They hide.
I'll pick some raspberries. Here's a raspberry.
Yeah, the leaves.
They hide deeply.
So the darker ones, Mom, are the sweeter ones.
Yeah. And these are the sweet and sour.
You want one?
I have long arms. I'll reach the middle.
Here you go.
Photograph of him. Here, the raspberries. Can you see?
Oh.
Do you have a basket for me to put the ones I picked in?
They're the back here. You can put them all in the same basket, dude.
Where are they?
Right here.
Thank you. Oh, see, he's one small.
No, I should
One
give
more.
Adrian a very sour one.
Emma, what do you think about your mom's raspberries?
I love mom's raspberries.
You love mom's raspberries?
I do. I love having fresh raspberries outside all the time to go pick because they're better than the store, and then they won't, if you bring them, you don't have to bring them in, and so you always have fresh raspberries because then they won't mold.
Gotcha. Thanks. Now everybody has started picking raspberries. Whole family. Right, Emma?
Yes, we have. I'm staying back so other people can pick more raspberries.
Why? We have tons of raspberries.
Because I get them all the time.
I haven't even eaten one yet.
What's your opinion?
We're good.
Good. Age,
I'm just interested in
are you
eating
picking some raspberries? Now it's become a family event to pick raspberries.
You see us touching the wires?
You're gonna get electrocuted. They're on.
There is no. They're not wires.
You want it?
Inchworm on this raspberry.
You do have the biggest hands.
Can't see.
Oh, I love inchworm.
Yeah, look at him.
Hang on, don't shake, man.
He's moving. Look, ready? He'll crawl.
You're still moving.
It's so cute. Ready? He'll clamp down. He'll move.
He's not moving. He's like pretending he doesn't exist.
No, stop! See, there he clamped. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's so cute.
Mm.
There he goes. He's on me. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah, go down. There he goes.
I see him.
He's so cute.
That one was already broken apart.
I need to use the restroom.
Okay.
Mom picking raspberries in my mother-in-law's house. What do you think, Nana?
No?
What do you think?
It's nice. Look at this.
Wow, it's a lot of raspberries.
I mean, you go and get it from the store. How much will it be?
Yeah. Raspberries are pretty cool.
They're $5, $6.
Yes.
Big stash over here.
And this will be about $100.
Yeah. $100? Nana says the $100 worth of raspberries right there.
I think it's
What do you think?
I think that's more like 50.
more of it, right?
They're like $50 worth.
No, he gets it. Oh, sorry.
We found an inchworm.
His name is Ernie. Aaron says his name's Ernie.
His name's Ernie.
Mm-hmm.
Ernie the inchworm.
And they're so small, they're hard to find. So when you actually do find one, it's fun to.
Oh, wait, just checking. All right, bye-bye, Ernie. Good
He's
luck.
waving bye.
Oh, he did wave bye.